And Arbiter's location?
You will find Arbiter at the Elder Council chambers. Victory to clan and kin, Spartans. Maquis out.
What are those buildings over there? Sunayon. That's where the Guardian is located. Gonna need serious backup to get anywhere near it.
We need the swords of St. Helios. And that means we need Arbiter.
I'm impressed. Arbiter has females in his ranks. War has traditionally been a male's job on St. Helios. Covenant forces ahead. Spirit inbound.
Nice of them to send a welcome wagon.
Let the guns talk, Osiris. We're almost clear. Keep moving. Target the elite.
On it.
Covenant ships, moving this way.
Either Maquis undersold the situation, or the Arbiter's about to get a big surprise.
Hostile contact. Better buy that shield.
Watch the turret.
Could try to flank it.
I got a jackal on me! Talk to that cucumber!
Stop that turret.
Can't yet! Got trouble with the jackal!
I'm down. Need an assist.
Up and at him, Locke.
Thanks, Spartan.
Turret fire!
On your feet, Bill.
All clear. There's a path carved into the cliffs here. On my mark.
Copy that, Locke.
Move, double time.
Roger.